Nogosemeri kwano mwanju murire ni Rwanda da utwara lituko ligi yali tabwate birukunyo binde byonsi ekaro cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi asemesa ya mwana mayango kwaria nande ngomanyina ya ntagwate kaime na isiko ya Gusii na mange anategwate ka ime ya irianyimo jasugusu amo nabosongo ali arengete onyamanye ase Chinsa jiga muraibwense nigondoje ale muraibwense ya Kenya Dr. Ruto nigarase skuru ya Nairobi anene ekeratagete kubeka ligena lyoboroso asukwagancha abe nyumba ya Science Complex ase enseme ya buli tangani no arenga sensemeri ya ensemo ya majoni ale kubekero osari ku graduate enseme yo ya Nairobi osa ensemo ya Karen na manga enda tokorekana imenesiko ya usingo kuboli obenanje oikomwelio sensemeri ya Ndizi ase headquarters county ya Nairobi litukolero yabitheria abanyanyimbo kuruta erioki yokurusia maliga erigoseberania abasae n'abantu baika sensemeyo abare kogani maina nchenga oyore ex mungeki rida abwatukurwa sensemeyo konde kabono nigarusigwa sensemeyo ase korengana bwatani bae bataramanya ngai airwa yunaragana tokorekana imenaisiko ya usiko kuboli bono ikaranso ike endoramanya asenjera yoko yachuta ekiagarano chikwanyoraya agikoragense ya muyabono marogoba asobugale korendenje niko yaratera senjera yoko yajuta Auta nerora sensemiri mulwe manyererio ekarabugeri nyanja makwene kunago chiri witera serio gyamo nechibicha na injengo yaretera sole Brighton Makori. Bunenjereye mo yogosira bamenyi bensemo ya nyakoe gose nyandiba 2 ime ya nyakoe nige kiombeke mo kemanyekana tebuna community ilanda community unit health promoters level 1 ekigotoka se wodi ya nyakoe baina na obokonyi goja sensemo eyo ya nyandiba 2 eyigotoka sensemo ya nyakoe bahukwana ni wadenere nchire mo yokwene kuna nkuira ni barokoboko ochia sabamenyi bensemeyo anekero baikana gukora imirubirio ao na gusira bamenyi bensemo eyo boigoni go banyarire bakoborie byombe binde ko babwatsino ine serikali ya county ya Kisii irikonyore bitoki na baro bagenda n'imirumo yabo yo gokonya abamenyi bensemeyo ya nyakoe.
Ono iwa tugutare binyo bitu tukobasemi guru aki personal chine ko banke chine yekinyo ko ngaki no amarwaira ari tokunyara kwandu nese binyo bitu nando ngutero twara akora ase bali batare kwenyara barensepi na bono mungino bigorenga abuto twabeka namo twaje twamukorere gasi tukunyara mune yokoma na yo ndo tabwati no necho sekero na buto kubeka namo twamoroseri na community frontiers
igonde community health promoter kururanda CU igasi itu togokora neyo korora nonyembare mbaro abantu bange barwarete bebisete nyomba batayikunyara gukwana senje togwete na nebinyoro nkubaikera tole sachinde twabarifa gocha se facility banyoro bokonyi banyara ko bagokonyeka
igoto kolega si ya promoting kurigeria amangana marwira se binyoro anene abantu bali nabono chinda chichandeta abantu nabande babwate bosoku bakwebisa sinyomba nabande bako barifa batakere ko barifa dikuchinyagitari nabona barwire ba diabetes abange bali kwemanya igonko barifa tore bagenda nyagitari
nabo igo igento kende togokora asigasi ito ya volunteering mostly no kweru to kweru even though there's a small token yenye tunaka appreciated nayo atwi garamisa na nayo
abe kageru batatu abo bakageire buna baikenereti oboitia sensemeri ya nyamakoroto asumugaka numongina oye baitetu asamatuko amaega barenge glesi amo namurema nigori tkorero banyara bagwikiwu ase kambero Nyamira abosibo munachebina Justice wa Winfrida Okwanyi asebono batata banyara bagokana amamochayo asibadana barabu tibamaitengane yogo sitiba ikraneti oboitio bwo ekinekyo niyo kerache kogendera gotegererwa gosine kerache gotegererwa chitariki 30 omutienyo yiga asabakagura abono abanyara bagochikwa koirwa ase chera ya Kisii asibara kendere oika chitariki chekerekina kyabo keragendere gotegererwa.
Weeks. Nobody has threatened him. kumesemekana Belis Ondara, Dennis Ondara Clementi, Peter Njoroge Kirika mmestakiwa mliua kinyume na sheria nambari 203 na vile inasomeka na 204, na maelezo ni kama ifuata. Mliua Grace Mongina Morema. Mstakiwa wa kwanza Belis Ondara, ni ukweli ama si ukweli? Mstakiwa wa pili Dennis Ondara Clementi. Mstakiwa wa tatu Peter Njoroge Kirika.
Has been placed before me to show that the safety of the accused persons will be in jeopardy or will not be guaranteed in Kisii prison, and therefore direct that the accused persons be remanded at Kisii UK prison. This matter will be mentioned on 30th of May.
Must apply.
Kubatikana na mangana ya nyarade ka watika sensemo ya kero kaiguru yurubebe yekere kina kigachaka otegarwa sikambiro gya keroka ikigambiro gya Nyamira kigachaka otegarira ikinekyo gya keroko rubebe nigobone ikinekyo kyagendera asikambiro gyechindemero amone mindo bitutane na se county ya Nyamira. Turaigwa akikinekya nyarage kogendera asensemeyo kundo mulikyo itocho mangi na asensemeyo karande tego twarga ni robot yoru kurende turaronyora asensemo yekingese.
Yes, that's the main. We also say yes, we're saying the court does not have a decision, and even this one is not even a petition. This is a self-seeking kind of filing in court. There are decisions in the lordship.
No, there are no decisions to the effect that it's a self-esteem petition. I think you ought to give the petitioner an apology, because he is a Kenyan. He has the right to move the court. Whatever he feels, even if his feelings are not agreeable to him, those are his strong feelings. He has a constituency that he serves, and the members of his constituency have told him that they are offended, and he has decided not to take an axe against the offenders, but to move the court, because he's a gentleman. Now he has moved to the court, and then you are saying this is a self-seeking petition. Whether it's self-seeking or not, he has a right.
We are not denying.
He has a right.
Yes, I agree.
Ekina kyomwana sagini oyorustiwa maiso asamatu kama yakorwa sensemeri yamarani nigo kyagendera asikambiro kyomo cyobosongo asegyasukiwa gochi chitariki 30 neye momotyonyo gatano umwaka oyoga asensemeyo nigo bono barachigo ikarana chinsemo awao asikambiro kyo erikorwa oborori igoro yekinekyo George Murara anoyo mobo wakiri obara sekinekyo oyonyaraka okwana anene ingie kinekerengete nabego ningiyo chikogendera gochasamatuko haribosyo asekinekyo.
This matter started in December, and today we were in court for a mention to confirm filing of submissions. For the record, the matter was slated to be in court tomorrow on 26th, but due to some unavoidable challenges and reasons on the side of the councils that are representing both parties, we made an application to the court to push the mention one day earlier that we have been before the court today. Now, the court has given directions that the matter will come up for highlighting of submissions on the 31st of May 2023. Highlighting entails or means the both parties of the case, the prosecution and the defense, bringing out the particulars and all the facts as per the case from the inception up to the time it has reached a stage of the completion of the defenses and the prosecutional case.
Abateneri ibe factory ya Itumbe yecha nigobono baenekeiri abaremi benseme ibuna nigo barachikoenda konyorobo korari obuya ayaniga gocha magigayo kubwatuka kigali bere ekiraji konyara kokonya asgokonya obosombi bwecha ase enseme yukuru asitundubali abao okweneka yo no munyakerobo we factory yo Dr. Abel Kenyaru uyodene inere nchira ya mobegete miroberi buno muremi bwe chae osubwe kemeriye chae sense meyungo konye kale ekere chae ranyari korusiwa ase chitundubari asobwango na wikasi factory ya Itumbe
twatwarire chigari Ikomi chigosomba chikeani echae ya itokonye korale factory wono ninde no bomaene terigo chikorara ngitugukanira echae terara egosaria equality echae tukorosia eliegere echikoni Mombasa egende international market igona kiga kogera twarete chigari echibire tomente obosombi bobuya eliegere echae ke factory ere
Omosae bw'emyaka 20 noyo moni gagenderete konyoro bobweni asinyagitari yemo ime ya Kenya ayani gagocha magega atigeretwe chingoma chintindi n'abantu asenseme yanene ekarwa mochibuna eufa yasirete kuro matanga ya masenseme yo niga kageire unanere oyibete omosae yubono nigo bamochiri ose bamenyi naba mate nabasani bomosae nigo bamochiri agakorwekyo asabantu bairete koboko osibairete richika sokoboko abo na gusamba omumuro yubono gendete konyoro bobweni asenyagitari eyeme agakorwekyo nigo giakorekanete asensemo ya etono omachoge burabu Guche sub county asenseme yo ya Kenya.
Baka OCS nega ari abaskari bae tote makomokorera kumurigia finally tumanyoreti lakini bado talinga twatigera hiyo ntogenda takurigio mwana oyo na ende tali era biekale ko kolere bitebyoka mbale ngabatange batatu lakini oyo neronyora majira ari iguru mono ndete goteba biega abana inchi baminto bonsi andonsi asore netaba gusiga abo machoge bora ne bandonsi bichikolia serikali ya Kenya iligoteba ngekero montaga osire aimukirigwa tua ya kisheria ogendo beke report olike statement olete warrant of arrest eba address dia somo chief go somo sub chief o community policing tokubwatero monto in a very direct manner lakini koimukio kabako kwao gusamba monto ni hatia katika sheria ya Kenya so ndete goteba biega mwana oria ntogende tokomurigia ando cia stora manyora na ando cia semura amoromu muragete igo nabo nkobeka tura mangana ya buya ikagara no nebiche ya ingo tomwere city tafadhali abakenya baminto tubwatirana
ekero motienyo yo gatano renge motienyi ogorigererie amachanderi abantu bagweterane na asimiroberio ya mental illness ekero oringi mental awareness nigobone kiombe gya threshold of Africa gekubaterana neobisi y'umubungo bumachoge burabu badia barongo bakorete egikaro na kwegurwa maigerio gochasa bamenyi bensemeyo bunenjera yamo yoko bakonya gwetanga kurwasa marwire ali ao araretwe no korengerari gosino gotwara umuchando ao ase ensemeyo
ara twarera to chegaiga tukwanira mangana yelinde tutebya abantu bamanye ba kutwara umuchando bari yabakoni bakoranga no koroko kana umutienyo yo gatano kero mwaka o 1978 mental health ngukwanire asengecho yokora to bumanyobo abantu banyore information yegerinde abantu bakanyore umuchando bari yabakoni nabari tokora bakuruse bamoyo banaroko babukoneka
fundisa aya na yengencho mono nagere akeani abantu gweita nagere akeani abantu kobachi barimo nagere akeani abantu gutware birengereri nyumba nabo mukuomana asengento tabwati obumanyi naborana cheki nakyo gochigweita egere gose no kore birengereri
anyorira mafundisa mayamono ayintanya konyora linde kuruna ibure akara to kolidere Kenya yabona siyekeire abantu abange niba bakuna chakauli beita asengito gotanyora
oyo kabere omubunge wa sense yito ya Kenya Sylvester Wakoli nigabona nyaire gakomoje serikali ya Kenya kwanza asebona yeboriri gotige gosori asokomentera ba Kenya ebango enene boigoni ganyare ka abuna Kenya bugima mboli raisi ige serikali eise komentera ba Kenya egurube gosiko barusie bangere goromono ba Kenya ni barachi kumia boigoni barachi kogenda kuyagi mono esali bugambo endete kokonga
neno ya kulazimisha watu kulipa taksi ya nyumba hiyo Go slow. Go slowly. My humble submission. Go slow on that one. Life is impossible. Life is becoming very difficult for many of us to survive.
Oibono no yugo beiro mubunge obumura asamatuka maiga asamajira serikali ya Kenya Kwanza asokomenta engeria gosa sokomenta ibirengo byebango yetete kurusi aba Kenya tugosuka bosyo nikomurayi bwense William Ruto litkolia rero aikirana asomo igabwo kubekerwe gutwa kwa majoni asensemeri ya National Defense College asatebuna inerenjere ya moyo kwena oborendi ngotingubole tali asensi ito ya Kenya kolinda sichinse au imeyense engima.
This is a goal towards enhancing our capacity to secure freedom, opportunity, and development in order to foster national socio-economic transformation. I am glad, therefore, to have this opportunity to officiate this auspicious occasion of the graduation ceremony of a special cohort, the National Defense College Course 25 of the academic year 2023-2024. I take this early opportunity to congratulate you, the graduates of Course 25, year 2022-23, upon the successful completion of your studies. Let me commend the Commandant, Directing Staff, and entire college fraternity for having successfully steered the graduates during their course. Further, I extend my commendation to your families and friends who have supported you during your year-long period that you were here in this college.
Mawaziri boborendi boime kiturakindiki iritkolero na tarire county ya Kilifi anawika sensemeri ya Shakahola nene karanyara kwera ningendeta sensemeri ya Shakahola.
Until now, the total number of bodies that we have recovered from Shakahola forest since this exercise began stands at 241. And that includes 5 skeletons that were recovered after we had suspended the exhumation exercise. The search and rescue team stumbled on 5 skeletons on 2 different days, and they have already been recovered and are part of the human remains that will be the subject of post-mortem examination. Sadly also, yesterday we lost one of the persons who had been rescued from Shakahola forest and taken to hospital for stabilization because they continued.
Asogo korera bona barai kurwase county ya Kericho bakora wanamwa seneta bwe county ya mono mugabana nigabona banyarire bakoboria batendi babanyanyimbo korwase county yo kwena kibina onde bwensi ogosegeta esegi asebike meriye chaego sase gifamu kirijo korobonjerwe chaya nsemeyi ngo bwatware na kwerurwe getambo gosigetambo kero okerichiko.
Kitu ambaye hatukubaliani nacho ni mbinu ambazo pengine wengine wanatumia. Ile tu naomba, tafadhali tokeni kwa barabara. Tafadhali tokeni kwa mambo ya kuvunja maduka ya watu. Tafadhali uruhusu watoto wale wa area hiyo ambao wajaenda shule sasa siku 2 waende shule. Watoto wadogo wasiumie katika hii maneno. Hiyo ambaye ndio mimi ninawaomba.
Ordinarily when we go out there as a team, as a mob, we get a lot of excitement. When the law catches up, it is you as an individual, and that is why we are.
Abono nongo ikomweri wa mangana ito ya Chinsa Ikomi kono nyora gikora gense ya mayabono marono chukwa nyora ya mana mange bana badi kibete bandete ko yaligania ikono chukwa nyora senjera yobo ikiranu genda kubati andi Steven nero obwansuma gusi asimiro berito ya kera litukunya saya ko nganjira na ya wanjere tumirane na ya litukori angyo asomoro berio bwensakia Joshua Auta nero renka sensemeri yumunwe manyererio abweri nyancha matu abaterana kwene kibana mario gine chibichago cheira senjera ya bene bana botamberiane Brighton Makori.